Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video I'm going to compare the specification differences between the POCO M4 Pro versus the Lenovo Agni 5G. And this is a question which has been requested by a few of my users asking me to compare these both phones. What are the differences in terms of the specifications and which more phone makes a lot of sense to buy in case if you plan to buy one of the device. So this video might be helpful for a lot of other users as well. So just yesterday only friends, we do know the POCO M4 Pro got launched and even the Lenovo Agni also got launched. And during this time I'll try to explain what is the price of the Lenovo Agni and what will be the price of the POCO M4 Pro phone as well. So first thing is that both phones they do have a couple of similarities. For example, in the processor segment, both phones that do have the Dimensity 810 chipset only in the POCO M4 and M4 Pro and even in the Lenovo Agni phone as well. So both phones are having similar kind of specifications regarding the processor and same type of UFS storage will be there, UFS storage 2.2, but Lenovo I think they did not mention any kind of UFS storage. Hopefully it should be kind of UFS storage 2.2 as well. So there is an expandable memory card slot as well, which is a dedicated slot which is having in this Lenovo Agni phone. And next thing is about the display. So display also seems to be slightly kind of very close to each other, nothing much huge difference. Apart from one thing, the Lenovo phone comes with a 6.78 inches of screen size with 90 Hz of refresh rate, and whereas the POCO M4 Pro comes with about 6.6 inches of screen size. So slightly small display you are getting the POCO M4 and with 90 Hz of refresh rate and same kind of IPS LCD panel, nothing much huge difference regarding the panel and Gorilla Glass 3 production. So both phones they are trying to use the Gorilla Glass 3 production as well. That's another thing you should definitely understand regarding the display. So slightly big display and same type of Gorilla Glass 3 production and same type of refresh rate. And regarding the weight of the phone, both phones they do weight slightly different. 204 grams on the Lenovo's phone, Agni phone has got, and 195 grams on the POCO M4 Pro device. So slightly kind of less weight when compared with the Agni phone. So even though both phones they do have the similar kind of battery capacity, which is 5000 mAh of battery capacity Lenovo Agni phone, and even the POCO M4 Pro as well as got the same kind of 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and charging speed is also very similar. So 33 watt fast charging and 33 watt fast charging. So nothing much difference in terms of the battery and the charging speed. There's not a huge difference between these both phones. As I said, both phones are very close in terms of the specifications wise. There's not a huge difference I would say at this point. So now let's move to the camera department where the Agni has got the quad camera setup and whereas the POCO M4 Pro has got only dual camera setup on the back side. So Lenovo phone has got the 64 megapixel 5+2+2 combination, and whereas the POCO M4 Pro which has got only 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. As you can see clearly friends, only dual camera setup which is present on the back side. You can clearly see what is going on at this moment. And that's going to be slightly advantage in flavor of the Lenovo Agni phone, which it has got quad camera setup, so slightly useful. So maybe if you like to use with the macro lens, that might be another helpful as well with the Lenovo phone. So whereas only 2 cameras which are present in the POCO M4 Pro device. Let me know in the comment section below friends what are your thoughts on this one. But overall it seems to be slightly kind of very close to each other in terms of the specifications wise. Not a huge difference at this moment. Nothing much major differences in terms of the specifications I observed, because both are having similar kind of battery and fast charging, similar kind of processor and the performance, and similar kind of display as well. Slightly big display on the Lenovo, but the thing is that the user interface going to be slightly different because Lenovo Agni will be coming with a stock Android and the POCO M4 Pro will be having the MIUI on the top. That is another thing you should definitely understand. So, and UFS storage 2.2 and both phones do have the similar kind of UFS storage, not a huge difference in the UFS storage. And let me know in the comment section below friends what are your thoughts on this one. So which phone are you interested in case if you have the chance to buy. So let me know in the comment section below friends. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. If there is at least the slightly battery could have been slightly more, or maybe fast charging could have been more, that could be another advantage. And dynamic RAM expansion can be another option present in the POCO M4 Pro because of the MIUI enhancement update which the company is releasing for few phones. That can be another possibility in the POCO M4 Pro device if you want to have. And that's it friends, thank you for watching, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to help you out with your queries, what you're having doubts regarding these smartphones. And meanwhile, I think Lenovo Agni has got the 8GB RAM variant, which is another slight good advantage for the Lenovo Agni as well. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. See you in the next video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. And according to the GSM Arena, Wi-Fi 6 also supported in the Agni phone. So remember that. So meanwhile, signing off. Bye.